BittyBrush. Today we will draw a cute bird. Circle your hand. Wonderful. The beak, the eye. Let's draw a bird's wing. Very good. The legs of a bird. How great! Let's paint the bird blue. How beautiful! Yellow color. Let's paint the wing pink. I love the color pink. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. Great! What a cute bird we got!